Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about a difficult phonetic characteristic for Spanish speakers on English. If your mother tongue is Spanish, you may find certain sounds in English more difficult than others. Here I will present to you one of the most common errors made by Spanish-speaking students. We are going to have a pronunciation class. The target group is 8th grade with a B1 level. The objective of the class is that at the end of the lesson, students will be able to understand the differences between V and B sound. The outcome is that students will distinguish between the V and B sounds using listening discrimination and repetition activities. V versus B. In Spanish, the V and B are pronounced the same. Words written with V and B are mostly pronounced identically, making this perhaps the most common spelling mistake in Spanish pronunciation, which can turn it in miscomprehension. V. In English, the V is fricative. This means that teeth and lips must touch when you say it. V, V. The B, on the other hand, is plosive. This means both lips touch together. Imagine the motion you do when applying lipstick or blowing a kiss. V, V, V. Now repeat after me. V, 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 B, V, B. Mispronunciation of these sounds can cause some confusion. For example, the word very, very sounds more like berry, berry. Van, van sounds more like bang, bang. And volt, volt sounds like bolt, bolt. Now it's practice time. Activity number 1. Say both sets of words and check your pronunciation if it's different for each other. Make sure that for the V sound, air passes between your teeth and lips with a vibration. V. Ready? Veil, veil. Vote, vote. Vow, vow. Volt, bolt. Vet, bet. Vest, best. Ready for the next activity? Activity number 2. Have you seen the voice or have you seen the voice? Record yourself on your phone saying these sentences and play them back. Do they sound the same to you? If they do, you may need to work on your pronunciation of the V and B sounds. Thank you for attending the class. I hope you have learned the differences between V and B.